So you've probably seen the name sportsfuture.io floating around the Web3 space, right? But what is it really? Well, it's not just another token, and it's definitely not some simple investment platform. It's a whole digital ecosystem. And to really get it, we're going to zero in on the one core idea that makes the whole thing click. Let's dive in.
All right, if you want to wrap your head around sports future, you just need to hold on to one simple idea. Just picture it as one giant shopping mall. Seriously, this metaphor is the key to unlocking the entire project. So let's use that as our guide, and I'll take you on a quick tour of what they're actually building. Now, obviously, we're not talking about a physical building with a food court and a movie theater. This is a digital ecosystem, a Web3 marketplace that's all about sports and innovation. It's meant to be a place where pretty much anyone with an idea, a passion, or project can show up, connect with others, and actually build something new. And look, the mission here, well, it's huge. It's all about empowering a massive range of people. Think about an aspiring athlete who needs a scholarship to chase their dream, or maybe a young entrepreneur who has a killer app idea but needs a place to launch it. This mall, it's being designed as the space where all those ambitions can actually become reality.
Every great shopping mall needs a solid foundation, right? You can't just build on thin air. You need the land, the concrete, the steel, all that infrastructure before you can even think about putting in the stores. Well, in the digital world, it's exactly the same. So what is this digital mall built on?
It's built on something called a Layer 1 blockchain. The absolute easiest way to think about this is to just stick with our mall analogy. The Layer 1 is the actual plot of land the mall sits on, plus all the essential stuff, the plumbing, the electricity, the roads leading to it. For Sports Future, that foundational layer is a specific blockchain called Apertum. So, why build on this particular plot of land? Well, because it has some major perks. For one, it's fast. That means transactions, like, say, buying something at a store, happen pretty much instantly. It's also scalable, which means the mall can grow and handle huge holiday-sized crowds without slowing down to a crawl. And, this is a big one, it has low gas fees. In our mall analogy, that's like having really, really cheap rent for all the shopkeepers. And of course, that encourages a lot more people to come and set up shop. Okay, so the foundation is solid, the land is good, but a mall is just an empty building without people, right? So who is this ecosystem actually for? Who are the shoppers and the shopkeepers that are going to bring this whole place to life?
And when you look at the community they're trying to build, it's incredibly diverse. You've got athletes looking for funding and support. You've got creators who want to bring their passion projects onto the blockchain, entrepreneurs launching totally new businesses, and of course, the developers, the ones who are coding the actual stores and experiences. It's this whole mix of people that's needed to create a really vibrant, bustling marketplace.
All right, now for the fun part. We've walked through the main entrance, we've seen who's hanging out here. Now it's time to actually look at the stores themselves. What are the applications and services you can actually use inside this digital mall? And here's the crucial thing to get. Sports Future isn't just the mall owner that rents out empty spaces. Nope. They are also the main developer, building their own unique flagship stores. In the Web3 world, we call these stores dApps, or decentralized applications. We already know about a few they're working on, like OpenPlaza and LinkHub, and there are a lot more planned for the future. This brings up a really important question, though. You can build the most incredible mall in the world with the best stores, but if nobody knows it exists, it's just going to sit there empty. So how do they plan to get the word out and actually bring people in? This right here is a really important distinction to understand. The job of Sports Future is to build the mall. Think of them as the construction company and the property developer. DAO1, on the other hand, is a completely separate thing. Think of it like a specialized marketing agency that uses network marketing to get people excited to promote the mall and to drive traffic to it. So they work together, but they have very different jobs. Okay, let's pull back and look at the big picture here. Because a project this ambitious isn't just about what's available today. It's really about the blueprint for what it could become tomorrow. And the team behind this is super clear about it. This quote, which comes from their own materials, really hammers it home. They are not looking for a quick win here. They are laying a foundation, brick by digital brick, for a massive sustainable ecosystem that's designed to grow and evolve over a long, long time, right alongside the Apertum blockchain itself. Which kind of leaves us with one final thought, a question really. If you were handed a space in a digital mall with basically no limits, a place for sports, for innovation, for community, what would you create? What kind of store or service or experience would you want to bring to life?
And for anyone who wants to turn that question into an actual answer, well, the project's invitation is pretty clear. Visit their site, bring your ideas, and become a part of building this digital shopping mall of the future.